How you doing, everybody? Nexus Lobo here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm back again at Larry H. Miller dealership for our Tucson Mopar car show and meet. Now today I'm going to talk a little bit about what this really is all about, because people, they see the cars and they think it's just a regular car show, but it really isn't. We call it a car show because all the Mopar cars come here, but what it really is a meet where all the car enthusiasts that are involved with Mopars, Mopar owners of both antiques, classics, classic muscle, modern muscle, trucks, anything Mopar, Chrysler, Dodge, Plymouth, you name it, Jeep. So they all come together and we all look at each other's cars. We all talk about what is dear to our heart, which is anything Mopar. So we're going to walk around, we're going to look at what they have, maybe even talk to a few people and see what this thing really is all about as far as what people think about these meets and why they come to car shows and why they come to Larry H. Miller. Now Larry H. Miller himself, actually, he provides the food, hamburgers, hot dogs, chips, sodas, water, and things like that. And today is also going to be a toy drive. So it's Christmas time, the Christmas spirit and community spirit for coming together to help those that are less fortunate is here as well. So let me start walking around and showing what they got. Now this right here, this row of cars is all part of the Team Mad Mopars, which I also belong to. And we have cars, trucks, we have modern muscle, we got classic muscle, and what have you. This is the club president's truck. It's a Warlock. One of the other guys' trucks here in the club, also a Warlock.
They eliminated that color this year for 2020.
That's what it used to be back when I was.
Yeah, I stepped right in. I just thought it was 70.
Oh, she is a pain in my ass. Hey! With your window.
So, are you going to make new lines for the rancher cylinder?
These guys lined up here are part of the C3 club.
Thanks.
Make a run for nothing.
Yeah. Now I need to prepare.
How you doing?
You're so quiet sitting there not saying a thing, man.
Just tired. Been working on the truck.
Oh, is that right? It's still not up yet?
Yeah, it's still not up.
Damn.
More rebuilt.
Oh my God. That's gonna cost an arm and a leg, ain't it?
Yeah, but she's gonna be done.
Good.
Cleaning cars? Oh, you're helping out?
Now this is a sweet Jeep right here. Look at this custom work. My God. Look at the wheels, tires, winch, LED lighting, all the way around. Man, this is really, really cool as all hell.
They make the cover tank for that, you know.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, you?
Alrighty.
Good.
How you doing? This your ride?
Yeah,
How long have you had it?
a few months.
A few months, huh? Have you done anything to it?
No.
No? Gonna keep it stock?
Yeah.
Cool. Say hello to YouTube. And this guy here is dun 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 the Red Eye. 797 horsepower. And this is one of the baddest ass cars in Tucson, in my opinion. It's Freddy's from Nightmare on Elm Street. Just look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Look at the hood. And for you guys in the UK, look at the bonnet. How you doing?
Good, you?
Alrighty. Hey, you guys cleaned up last week.
Finally. Get there.
Good, good. Hey, how you doing? Come on. Nice little shot from here. There's a lot of activities going on in Tucson this weekend. A lot of car shows that are happening around Tucson are toy drives. So we might not have as many as we normally have. Sometimes there's been so many cars here, there's been no spaces for everybody to be able to park up, so they park out in the other parking lot over here. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it a day for now and wait till some more cars show up, and then I'll go ahead and do part 2 of this video. So until I see you guys in a little bit, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button if you really like the video, and until I see you again, take care.